Recipes Mania. Today we are making an acai bowl. So you're starting with our acai. This can be bought frozen in these little packs. I bought a bag of 4 of these 3.5 ounce packs. And you're going to want to thaw it so it's not frozen solid. And then I've already added one to my blender. Then next I have some frozen berries. I have blackberries, blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries. So we're going to add some of that. Next, I have some frozen bananas. I'm going to add some milk. We're going to start with not too much because it's a bowl, so we want it to be thick, and we can always add more. Next, we're going to add some honey. We're going to start to blend. All right, now we're ready to top it. You can pretty much top it any way you want. I'm going to show you how I like to do it. So I'm going to add some fresh strawberries and bananas. I'm going to add some granola. Some mini chocolate chips. And some shredded coconut. All right, and there we go. I can't wait to give this a try. I hope you do too. And we'll see you back here next time on Recipes Mania. Bye, guys.